Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can set up date and the time on your MAXCOM phone. To do this, first of all you have to use these arrows to open menu. Next we have to go to the settings, so keep tapping. Click OK to enter. Then we have to scroll down to the phone settings. Click OK. Right now enter date and the time. First we can set up the time, so click select, and right now by using these buttons you can set currently time, so let's do this right now. To confirm, click OK. Next we can scroll down to set date, click OK to enter. So that's incorrect date, I'm gonna set the currently. Click OK to confirm, and here we can also switch the time format between 12 or 24 hours. At the bottom we can also find the date format, so we can go for the day, month, year, month, day, year, and year, month, day. If you want to switch, just click OK. At the bottom we can also enable update time settings, so we can automatically update time. Click back, and that's how we can do this. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.